Hi, Adam from Clayton Off-Road here, and today we're going to talk about track bar brackets. So shown here on the left is our XJ and ZJ track bar bracket. Part number is 4500400. This does work for a XJ and a ZJ. It is a direct bolt-in, and this one does not have any drop built into it. So it is designed for around 3 to 6 inches of lift. All we've really done is provided you a much thicker, sturdier bracket, kept the location of the track bar in roughly the same location, but we've gone to a much larger double shear setup. So this drawing is available on the website. It'll show you some of the details. But basically it's designed for a 2.5 inch forged Johnny joint, so that uses a 9/16 through hole and a 2 5/8 width. But it bolts into the factory location. These top holes, bottom holes. On a ZJ, there's that hole is used. There's a bolt in the way there, I believe, for the power steering box. So that clears that. About 1/4 inch. Most of the time we suggest using it with our adjustable track bar, part number 4500200. More information is available on the website. So this bracket is very similar. You can kind of see the two side by side now. This one almost looks identical, but it has more drop built into it. That part number has about 5 3/8 of drop. Once again, check the drawings online for more exact details. And this one's closer to 6 1/4. So same type of bracket, 1/4 inch, 2.5 inch forged Johnny joint. Comes with the 9/16 bolt. But this one's designed for an XJ or ZJ in the 6 to 8 inch range. But it's also important to keep in mind that when you lower the track bar location, you should also lower your steering angles, so that we also offer a big drop pitman arm that is intended to be used with the track bar drop bracket. The part number on the pitman arm is 2400200. But once again, check the website for more details, pricing, drawings. If you have any other questions, shoot us an email. Thank you.